The personal training for Anka Unmanned Aerial Vehicle System, which is exported to Tunisia, has been completed. In 2019, bilateral negotiations started between the Tunisian Ministry of Defense and Turkish aerospace industry for the purchase of Anka Unmanned Aerial Vehicles. Following the initiation of the process, in the first month of 2020, UAV training and financial issues were clarified, and progress was achieved in the negotiations. Ultimately, an export agreement worth approximately 80 million was signed between TAI and the Tunisian Air Force. Within the scope of agreement, TAI is planned to deliver 3 Anka UAVs and 3 ground control systems to the Tunisian Air Force's command. Tunisian Air Force maintenance personnel gained competence in various subjects by receiving type maintenance training at TAI for 7 weeks. It is stated that the program is progressing faster than the determined calendar. Tunisian Air Force maintenance personnel came to Turkey to receive training for the maintenance and operation of the Anka system exported to Tunisia. Maintenance personnel who came to TAI successfully completed 7-week maintenance training according to the calendar of Tunisian Anka program. In this important activity process that must be carried out before the product deliveries, the user has gained the necessary competencies in technical English, avionics, electrical, mechanical, engine, ground system, and structural issues for planned and unplanned maintenance operations. The Anka S system, designed according to the international safety standards with the integration of new generation payload and national facilities, took its place in the inventory as one of the most competent systems of its class in terms of safety and operation capability with its national flight control computer. The Anka S MALE UAV project was implemented as a subtype of Anka UAV system on October 25, 2013. With the production agreement between the Presidency of Defense Industry and Turkish Aerospace Industry, Anka S, developed on the basis of Anka and Anka Block B system, was put into service in 2017. Another feature of S version is that the system can be controlled from satellite. With the ability to be controlled from the satellite, an extended operation area is created by increasing the control distance. Day and night, including bad weather conditions, reconnaissance, surveillance, fixed and moving target detection, identification and tracking purposes, real-time image intelligence tasks, performing diagnosis, tracking and marking tasks with the new generation electro-optic infrared camera, air-to-ground, ground-to-ground communication support is provided with the MAK functions and the radio relay.